Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can update NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my phone. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go ahead and search for Play Store or App Store depending on which phone you have. So if you have an Android, click on Play Store. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here in the home section. So go ahead and click on the search bar and search for NBA Live Mobile. Once you do that, click on search and then you're going to find the results. As you can see, guys, this is NBA Live Mobile. Click on it. Make sure that it's by Electronic Arts. And then once you're here in the page, you're gonna find the uninstall button and play button. So basically guys, if you have the play button available, that means that your application is in the latest version. And if you have the update button available, that means that you don't have the latest version and you need to update to the latest version. As you can see guys, for me, I have the latest version. So if I click on play, it will take me to the game. And as you can see guys, I'm right now in the game and I am actually up to date. If you want to uninstall the game and install it again, you can just go back to Play Store and then go ahead and click on the uninstall button and then the game will be uninstalled. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.